Hi everyone, my name is Dana and I'm a personal trainer and a Pilates instructor who likes to get in the kitchen and show women over the age of 40 how to speed up their metabolism through exercise and the way they eat. So today I'm going to show you how to make a breakfast that is going to help you if you're in a hurry of a morning, full of really good stuff. So they are chia seed blueberry puddings, and they're fantastic to make maybe on a Sunday, so you've got them for the next few days, not worrying about your brekkie. So the way that we're going to get started is you need your blender bowl, and we're going to start with milk. So choose your type of milk. The milk that I'm using today is almond milk, and almond milk is a really good fat and full of vitamin E, and actually 1 glass of almond milk gives you 50% of your daily amount of vitamin E, and that's really good for our skin. So I'm using almond milk, but you could potentially use normal milk, coconut milk, whatever sort of milk you'd like. From there you're going to get Greek yogurt, and you're going to use half a cup of Greek yogurt. And Greek yogurt is a really good form of calcium, and that will really help you with your bone health. So as we age, 70% of women are diagnosed with poor bone health or osteoporosis, and it's a fantastic way to get the calcium into your body. So the next thing that you're going to need after that is protein, and I use 180 Nutrition whey protein, and the reason I use that brand is it doesn't have any additives or preservatives or anything. It's completely organic, natural and pure. It's completely gluten-free, and you put in about 20 grams of protein powder. After that, you are going to put in blueberries. Now, blueberries are a fantastic antioxidant. They're known as a superfood, and they're actually known to help with increasing your vitamin C, and they're super low in calories, and they're a great antioxidant, and they also won't spike your blood sugars. So if you're trying to lose weight, popping blueberries as your fruit into your food will help you stabilize your blood sugars rather than spike it up. So once you spike your blood sugars up, fat burning hormones stop in their tracks and you won't lose weight. So these are a great fruit to throw into your breakfast of a morning. So I just say about half a cup of blueberries and throwing that in there as well. They're also a really good anti-inflammatory food. Okay, so once you've popped those things in your blender, you're just going to quickly blend that up. So I'm just going to do that for us now. Okay, so just quickly pull all that together. So once you've done that, I always have trouble undoing this. Maybe I need to get back to the gym quicker than I realise. Okay, so from there what you're going to do is, this is 2 serves that I've made today, and so I need you to get 2 glasses of some sort, and to just halve this into those 2 glasses. Okay, so once you've done that, you then need to get your black chia seeds, and you're going to put 1 tablespoon of black chia seeds in each of your cups. So just sprinkle 1 in each. Okay, now chia seeds are fantastic. They're actually a omega-3, and omega-3 is really good for our heart health, can help us to lower our blood pressure, and it's also a good source of fibre, iron and calcium. So fibre will help your digestive system, so help you to go to the toilet regularly. Iron will help us have more energy, and a lot of women are low in iron. And calcium is once again really good for our bone health. So chia seeds are known as a superfood, and they sort of puff up when you put them in the fridge, so they end up like a jelly type of consistency. So what I want you to do is just stir that in for me into each of these. Okay, so once you've done that, you're actually going to cover them with some Glad wrap. So just pop some Glad wrap on each of those. And once you've done the Glad wrap on each of those, you're then going to place them in the fridge. And you're going to leave them overnight. Now, I've actually done one last night, so I'll grab it out of the fridge. Once they're done overnight, you'll grab them back out. So let me grab those other ones out of the fridge. Okay, so these are the ones that I did last night. And you can see that it ends up like a pudding type mixture. And there you have it. So from here, what you're going to add on top is a little bit of a treat. I don't know if you guys know about this stuff, but I absolutely love them. And they are coconut chips. And what you do is you toast them. So to toast them, all you do is you put your coconut chips in a dry fry pan, and it doesn't take long. So just dry fry pan and pop that on for me. Now they're not going to take long, so just watch them. In the meantime, I want you to choose some form of nuts. So I've chosen walnuts today. Walnuts, they say, are brain food, so really good for our brain, which being over 50 is always a good thing for me. My memory's not quite what it was. And about a tablespoon or so. So just chop that up for me. Now, if you don't like walnuts, you could potentially use toasted almonds or any sort of nuts really, but probably preferably unsalted and raw. Also, you could use like sunflowers, pepitas. You could even use a muesli if you've made up a muesli that you haven't got extra sugar in. So we don't really want extra sugar into this because I'm trying to keep the sugar out. So once you've done that, just sprinkle those on top for me. And I'll just check our coconut. Okay, so that's not quite done yet, but what I've done is I've already done some last night. So then just sprinkle some of about another tablespoon on top. And there you have a perfect breakfast. So this breakfast is full of protein, good fats, good fibers, good for you, will sustain you through the morning, and full of antioxidants and good nutrition. So thanks for listening today. Let's just check my coconut. Okay, you can see that's just starting to go now, so that doesn't take long. So if you do choose to do that, just watch it, and I'll catch you next time. See you later.